Hey guys, how's it going? Just wanted to make a quick video. As always, my goal is to help people become an inbound closer. So one of the things that I think that can help you out the most is learning customer management software. So the one that I would recommend right now learning, because this comes up again and again, if you want to be a full-time inbound closer, is Close.io. Now you can learn Salesforce, which I used to be not too bad at Salesforce. I don't use it anymore. But to transition over to Close.io is similar. But from everything that I've seen so far, Close.io seems to be the best, and it's about 25 bucks a month. You get a 2-week trial, but I'm telling you right now, go through YouTube channels, start learning the software, try out the trial. You can create a dummy account, whatever it is, and just start practicing, entering in all your data, your numbers, all that kind of stuff, and start practicing with it. Because I'm telling you, when you're on the inside, that's going to come up. You're going to have to figure out a way to track all your leads, and you can't do it on a notebook. You can't do it on a scrap piece of paper. You could probably do it in Excel. I used to be able to do it in my calendar. I worked with a gal that was bringing in a few $100,000 with a coffee organization that I used to do sales for, and she showed me how she used Calendar for that. If you guys are interested in that technique, because maybe you don't want to dish out 20 bucks a month, 25 bucks a month, whatever it is, I could show you that technique. But with Close.io, the nice thing about that is you can manage your pipeline. You can keep track of everything, all your calls, all your SMS, your emails, everything. And if, let's just say, for example, you just decide to jump on board with Close.io, if you have emails from, maybe it's in your Gmail account or whatever, and you have a bit of a correspondence, you just enter the email, and it will, once you attach it to your Google account, it will populate all those emails, all those correspondence. So you can go back anytime you've ever had a conversation with that person, and you can track everything. So over the next 12 weeks with the organization that I'm with right now, I'm going to be getting leads coming my way probably in the next 3 or 4 weeks. So I have basically 3 or 4 weeks to master Close.io, because I do not want to drop a lead. With this organization, they believe in following up with your customers basically forever. So in order to do that, you have to have a tool that will help you out. So I hope to be able to share more ideas, strategies, all this kind of stuff to get you ramped up to speed, so that by the time you get your next gig with a client, you're ready to rock and roll, and they can hire you on the spot and start filling up your pipeline. Because it could happen quicker than you expect. So with regards to the whole inbound closer program, I would suggest jump on board with some of these companies, whoever you feel comfortable with, because everybody has a different selling style. I could recommend a couple of companies. If you like the weekly idea, jump on board with Sales Sniper. It's weekly. It's like $40 US. If you like Sales Mentor, 97 bucks. That's all you really need to get in. It's a huge course. You pay the 97 bucks, and then you pay for Close.io. You do those two things. I'm telling you, with the opportunities that are coming up, and I'll be sharing a little bit more about other opportunities that maybe you can do a search for and all this kind of stuff. But with the pandemic and everything that's going on, there's two parties. There's the skeptics that are going to be left behind because they're going to be like, it seems like this is kind of scammy, this doesn't work, all this kind of stuff. And they're going to continue with their job, and they're going to be left behind because people are moving forward and they're working from home, from anywhere in the world. Because I'm learning about this. I'm learning that this is true. You can work from your iPhone, your laptop, anywhere in the world. And I'll be proving that over the next few weeks, next 12 weeks. I'll be doing a little series on this. Like I mentioned with some of my other videos, I can't disclose a lot of information like the top secret sauce kind of stuff, but I could share with you principles from the inside as a growing inbound closer, if that makes sense. I'm being groomed right now to be either an appointment setter, triage, closer, any of the above, because it takes excuse me, takes a bit of a process to do that. And I want to make this channel valuable to you. I want you to be able to I want you to be able to visit this channel, subscribe to this channel, and then get some tips as to how you can become an inbound closer. And it's not going to happen overnight. I promise you. It won't happen tomorrow. But if you stick with this channel and if you follow the advice that I'm giving you, sound advice, you can learn a lot of software for free on YouTube. Get good at the customer management software. I'm telling you. Thanks a lot. If you haven't, you know the drill. Subscribe, click bell, all that good stuff. Rock and roll. We're on our way to 300 subscribers. Can you believe it? Talk to you later.